You playing with the dollhouse? Having a snack? Big fishy. Mm-hmm. Let's not get dizzy around the dollhouse, okay? You can put the chairs on top of the roof? On the top of the dollhouse? Yeah? Okay.
No ball.
No ball?
Thank
you. Thank you.
The house.
That's right. Put the table on the dollhouse. Where did the table go? Oh, there it is. Dollhouse. Big fishy, Sadie. Big fishy. Hi, kiddo. You like big fishy, Sadie Rose. You hanging out with Mommy, Sienna? Look at that big fishy you have there.
Yeah, big fish.
That's a really big fishy. Yeah. Big eyes.
A big tail, a big mouth, a big tail, a big back.
Big back. That's right. Fishy's got a big back.
Big sissy.
Big tushy. Mm-hmm. Sienna. Sadie's playing with Fishy. We share, okay?